May naabot ng kasunduan ng pamahalaan ng Pilipinas at ang National Democratic Front of the Philippines. Hudyat na kaya ito ng matagal ng inaasam na kapayapaan. Yan ang ulat ni Kenneth Pasyente live. Kenneth!
Aljo, nagkasundo na ang Pilipinas at National Democratic Front of the Philippines para tuldukan ang armed conflict sa Pilipinas. Sa press con sa Malacanang ngayong hapon, inanunsyo ni Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace, Reconciliation and Unity o OPA Pro Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. na pinirmahan na ng Pilipinas at NDFP ang kasunduan para isulong ang pangmatagalang kapayapaan sa bansa. Sa ilalim kasi ng Oslo Joint Communique, nagkasundo ang bansa at NDFP na mas isulong ang pagkakaisa para resolbahin ang mga ugat ng armed conflict o kaguluhan.
Cognizant of all serious socio-economic and environmental issues and the foreign security threats facing the country, the parties recognize the need to unite as a nation in order to urgently address these challenges and resolve the reasons of the armed conflict. The parties agree to a principled and peaceful resolution of the armed conflict, resolving the roots of the armed conflict and ending the armed struggle shall pave the way for the transformation of the CPP, NPA, and DF.
Sa ilalim din nito, nagkaroon ng kasunduan ng bansa at NDFP na bumuo ng framework para iprioridad ang peace negotiation tungo sa socio-economic at political reforms.
Such framework that will set the parameters for the final peace agreement shall be agreed upon by both parties. Consequently, we envision and look forward to a country where united people can live in peace and prosperity.
Napirmahan ang naturang kasunduan noong November 23. Positibo naman ang NEDA at DSWD sa development na ito, lalo't karamihan ng mga apektadong mamamayan ay mula sa malalayong lugar tuwing may giyera.
Primary goal namin is maiahon ang bawat Pilipino mula sa kahirapan at sa kagutuman.
Itong instability, war, is very, very costly to the economy. And so efforts to achieve peace, particularly in the countryside, is surely inclusive and growth-inducing.
Welcome development din ito sa law enforcement agencies, lalo't sila ang unang humaharap sa tuwing may armed conflict.
Good news for us, no? Because it is the soldier more than anybody else who wants lasting peace, no? Who wants this conflict to finally end.
I hope this will lead really to long and lasting peace, and I look at it as a way of adding more food to the table sa mga Pilipino, and instead of spending more money sa ammunitions and other armaments, madadagdagan po yung ating mga makinarya at saka may infrastruktura that will help us attain maximum development.
Pero tanda na nga ba ito ng pag-arangkada muli ng peace talks? Paliwanag ng OPA Pro?
Naputol.
Naputol. Ito, we will start anew.
From the start.
From the start talaga. Sinusama na rin.
Sir, yung timeline lang, sir, kailan mag-i-start yun? Meron na po bang?
Sa ngayon, under discussion pa.
Okay.
But most likely, baka before the end of first quarter or mid-first quarter.
Aljo, tiwala naman ang pamahalaan na andun yung commitment at andun yung sinseridad nitong grupo ng NDFP sa pagpirma nga dito sa naturang kasunduan. Aljo.
Salamat, Kenneth Pasyente.